This ambitious class aims to tackle the entire branding and design process. We will dive deep into creating our logo, how to create and expand our branding standards, and produce our color palette and logo variations. We will also dive into ad design and layout, including layout design for digital and print graphics. We cover the package design process as we develop our series of lotion bottles. Stationery design is also covered, including letterhead and business card designs. No brand is complete without a t-shirt design, as we dive into ways we can create and present our t-shirt design and get it ready for the press. Finally, we will create a web layout and working wireframe in Adobe XD. This class leaves nothing out, as I teach you how to prepare each file we produce for press and how to work with ad specs, Pantone inks, and package design. We will also learn a few new programs along the way, including Adobe Dimensions, a 3D mock-up program where we take our package design and apply it to a 3D lotion bottle to produce some pretty cool graphics for our ad and web design. We will also learn Adobe XD from scratch. No prior experience is necessary. We'll create several web pages and link them up to create a working wireframe to show clients how our brand can be developed into this digital medium. I will show you step by step the process I go to create branding standards to present to clients, how we present our color palettes, and also creating brand assets we can use for brand extension on other design mediums. This class is an intermediate level class. I suggest you're somewhat familiar with the basic tools of Adobe Illustrator and Photoshop. Knowing how the layering system works and also being comfortable with the basic tools of Illustrator will really come in handy when taking this class. I am proud to present my entire branding process from start to finish in one complete course. This class will surely give you the knowledge and insight to create an entire design package for clients both small and large. So let's learn together.